In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a Confluence wiki. We'll start right at the source. Open Confluence and create a new space for your wiki. In the top navigation, choose to create a space, then pick a space type that fits your needs. Give it a clear, memorable name and a short description that explains who the wiki is for and what it covers. If you're asked for a space key, keep it short and readable so it looks clean in URLs. This is your home base where all pages will live. Next, decide how you want to organize the wiki by topics, by teams, or by departments. Think about how your audience naturally looks for information. If people think in terms of how do I use topic-based sections like onboarding, tools, and policies might work best. If they identify by group, organizing by teams or departments can make navigation more intuitive. Jot down a quick outline so you have a structure before you start building pages. With your structure in mind, create parent pages for the main categories. These should act like section home pages. Give each one a straightforward title and add a short introduction that explains what belongs there and who it's for. A brief start here paragraph helps new readers quickly get oriented. Under each parent page, add child pages to break content into focused chunks. Use the page tree on the left to nest pages where they belong, keeping names consistent and scannable. Aim for one clear purpose per page. If a topic gets long, split it into smaller child pages rather than creating a wall of text. Use crosslinks between related pages so people can move easily through the content. Now, write clear documentation, guides, FAQs, and processes. Use simple language, active voice, and step-by-step explanations. Start with an overview, then list the steps, followed by tips or troubleshooting notes. For FAQs, write concise questions and answers that solve common issues fast. For processes, include prerequisites, who's responsible, and what success looks like. Headings, short paragraphs, and examples make pages much easier to read and maintain. To make everything easier to find, add labels to your pages. At the bottom of a page, add 2 to 3 labels that reflect the content, like the tool name, team, or process type. Be consistent with label names so search works reliably and avoid creating near duplicates. Finally, keep the wiki updated so the information stays useful. Add a last reviewed note at the top of key pages, set a regular review cadence, and archive or refresh outdated content. Encourage contributors to make small, frequent edits and keep your structure tidy as the space grows. That's it. Your Confluence wiki is ready to grow with your team.